Students, in this video we will be studying prototype low pass filter and high pass filter. In the previous video we studied passive filters. Now another type of filter which you have for your syllabus is prototype filters. In that only two types, low pass, high pass. But low pass T section, pi section. High pass T section, pi section. You can see here T section, it is in the shape T. This is your filter circuit, right? So this is your filter circuit having components in the T shape, T section. This is pi section having components in the pi fashion. Here also you can see T and pi. The difference is that this is we call low pass, this one we will call high pass. What is the difference between these filters we will see. So here this arm we can call series arm, this we can call parallel arm. For low pass filter, series arm should be inductor, parallel arm should be capacitor. You can say here L by 2 means it is total L. Series arm should be L, parallel arm should be C. Similarly, series arm should be L, parallel arm should be C. Series L, parallel C in low pass filter. This reverses in case of high pass filter. Series C, parallel L. Series C, parallel L. So that is the difference between low pass filter and high pass filter. And one more thing what you should remember is this series arm whatever you are taking, if it is of inductance, its total impedance should be L itself. This is L itself, this should be C. This should be L and these two combinations should give you C. That you should keep in mind. This combination should give you L. This is single, no problem, C. Whereas here this is single, L, no problem. But here this combination should give you C. Similarly, this combination should result into total C, total L. Total C, total L. So you can see here this should be L. There are two L's. By adding these two, as they are in series, L by 2 if we take, the total will be L by 2 plus L by 2 will be 2 times L by 2. If we cancel 2 times, that is 2 in the denominator and 2 in the numerator, we will get total L, no problem here. Therefore, we have taken it as L by 2, and this is no problem, single one C. Here single L, no problem. But here there are two capacitors in parallel. But if you take the effective of this parallel combination, it should result into total C. Capacitors, if they are in parallel, we will just add them, you know. If this is C1, if this is C2, as they are in parallel, the net capacitance will be C1 plus C2. Right? So here how we have divided is C by 2, so that C by 2 plus C by 2 will give you C. This is high pass filter. High pass filter, here it should be a total C, here it should be a total L. So in order to get C here, total C here from this section, capacitors are in series, you can say, but how do we take the effectiveness of this capacitor? This capacitor into this capacitor divided by this plus this should give you C. Therefore, it is taken as 2C, 2C. 2C into 2C divided by 2C plus 2C will give you C. This is no problem L. Now here this is no problem C, but here this combination, this is inductance. This into this divided by this plus this we are doing, that should result into L. Therefore, it is 2L and 2L. So these things you should understand in a better way in order to draw these prototype low pass filter, that to T and pi section, and prototype high pass filter, that to T and pi section, because 100% the problems will be asked to design these filters. Everything they will give. What they will give? L value they will give, C value they will give. they will ask you to design low pass filter T section and pi section. That means you should draw these. L should be L by 2 here, here it should be C by 2, that you should understand. If you get this problem on this, here high pass capacitor should be 2C, then inductor should be 2L. Why this is like that, I have explained you already. Next, these are the list of formulae what you can get here. For low pass filter, calculation of L is given by R0 divided by pi Fc, C is given by 1 divided by R0 into pi Fc, cutoff frequency is given by Fc into 1 divided by pi root Lc. Means what is asked is either this is asked or this is asked or this is asked. This is for low pass filter. Similarly, this is high pass filter formula. Go through these thoroughly. Here only what you don't know is, you know everything here. Lc, Fc you know, Lc are the components, Fc is the cutoff frequency you know. But here R0 is a new thing. What is R0 is, it is the source or it is the load impedance, that is impedance or the resistance at the output side is R0, resistance value. So this is given by a formula, R0 is equal to root of L by C. You should remember this. Everything is written. There are derivations to know how we got these. L low pass filter, L value, C value, Fc value, high pass filter, L, C, Fc value, R0 value. How we are getting means there are derivations for this which are not there for your syllabus. Just remember the circuits. Remember the formula, do the calculations properly and substitute them in a proper circuit. Remember, whenever designing of something is asked, after calculations you need to draw the circuit and draw the calculated values perfectly. That will have a particular weight for your answer. Thank you.